In this video, we will learn how to insert timeline in pivot table. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I'm going to insert here the pivot table. Just go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table option, click on the from table or range option. Here range is automatically selected. Click on the new worksheet and click on OK. So here I'm going to create the pivot table. I select the product ID, profit and category and order date in filter. Okay, I just drag it and set in filter. Now I am going to create a timeline. So going to insert the timeline in pivot table. So just select the anywhere in pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis tab. Here in filter group have option insert timeline. Just click on it and select the which timeline you want. So I go to check the timeline data as per the order date. Okay, I just select the order date and here is the timeline is ready. Here you can, when you click on the any month, suppose I click on the August data here filter. I click on the November, the November data is filter here. Okay, if you want to go year wise, just click on this arrow, click on the year. When you click on the 2015, the 2015 data show here. 2017 data show here. If you want to go in quarterly, so I just select the quarter 2 in 2016. So year 2016 show here in quarter 2. In 2017, I select the quarter 4, 2017, the 2017 data in quarter 4 data show here. So this is a way you can use your timeline. If you want to change something, select the timeline and go to the timeline tab. Okay. So here you can change your timeline style also. So different way. Just select the arrow. Here there are so many options to select the different colors and styles available. Okay. So here have some different option also. So you can use for it timeline. So this is a way you can use your timeline in pivot table. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.